Managing the skid resistance on pavement surfaces, whether it's runways or roadways, is a very important part of maintaining traffic safety. The Stripe Hog can improve friction values on these surfaces very effectively. Here you see a Stripe Hog operating at 12 gallons a minute, restoring friction on a roadway in Czech Republic. A very wide pattern of travel is achieved by placing two 36-inch heads side by side. The effect is that traffic will enjoy improved skid resistance along this section of roadway, whether it's water or turns or whatever the concern might be. This is an effective tool for accomplishing just that. Here you see an asphalt roadway in the UK, in which the contractor is improving the skid resistance again by means of water blasting. In very hot climates, bitumen rises to the surface produced by the hot sun, and next thing you know, you have more bitumen than you have rocks, and thereby creating a skid issue. Running the water blaster over using the right pressure, the right volume, the right number of nozzles, the right spray width, can be very effective at taking the bitumen from between the rocks and improving the macro texture of that roadway or runway surface. When we talk about retexturing, it's important to understand the difference between macro texture and micro texture. Macro texture is essentially the peaks and valleys that exist between the rocks, which can become clogged over time with dirt, rubber, asphalt, bitumen that rises up between those. But the micro texture is the technical term referred to the peaks and valleys of the rocks themselves. As you might imagine, the rocks themselves are much harder than the bitumen or dirt, rubber residues that may be in between them, and so it's a more difficult process to improve the micro texture of a surface. However, we have had success at impacting in a positive way both the macro and the micro. But depending on the circumstances, improving the micro texture of a surface may dictate alternate methods such as shot blasting or hammering techniques that are employed by other companies around the world. So, make sure among all the other uses you have for your Stripe Hog that you don't forget the element of retexturing and explore opportunities that may exist in your market territory. Thank you.